The Corghi HD1800 Hydrus merges simplicity with raw power. Possibly the largest automatic heavy-duty tyre changer on the market, the Hyrdrus is designed to handle wheels for mining, agricultural and industrial applications. The Hyrdrus can take on wheels and tyres measuring up to 300 centimetres and 3,000 kilograms. It is equipped with a cordless remote control as standard and features an automatic tool head, making oversized tyre changes a simple and reliable operation. The hydraulic system offers an impressive amount of power, while the independent movements in the self-centering clamp and tool arm makes positioning the wheel easy. The Corghi HD1800 Hydrus offers you the effortless application of unrivaled power. Inquire now about introducing it into your workshop.